Hi Cappies, what's up? Welcome to another love reading of yours. This is going to be for my Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus for the first half of June 2020. Please keep in mind, time is fluid. You could have dealt with this or will be dealing with this in the future. I'm going to read out the energies of the cards, and some of the energies can be vice versa, so you assign the roles accordingly, alright? This is going to be for my Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for the first half of June 2020. Spirit, guides, angels, universe, what can my Capricorn expect in love from the 1st of June to the 15th of June 2020? What can Capricorns expect in love for the first half of June 2020? Alright Capricorn, what's going on? Coming into the so what happened in the past between you and the person you're dealing with? Page of Wands in reverse. What is the current situation between you and your person? The Queen of Swords in reverse. What is going on in the person's mind that you're dealing with? The Fool in reverse. Okay, how does this person view you? The Ace of Swords in reverse. What is going on in this person's emotions for you? The Knight of Wands in reverse. How do they want to move forward with you if you've broken up? What do they think about reconciling? If you're with them, how do they want to move forward with you? The Four of Cups in reverse. What is going on behind the scenes? What are the blockages? The High Priestess in reverse. Okay. What is your advice, Capricorn? The Judgment in reverse. And what is the likely outcome between you and this person? The Six of Cups in reverse. Alright. Alright, what's the overall energy? Bottom of the deck. The Hanged Man could be dealing with a Pisces. I'm sorry guys, I keep adjusting the cards, OCD. Just bear with me. It's been raining crazy out here. I'm in India, Mumbai, and we're expecting a cyclone. Hope we're all going to be safe out here. Alright, let's do this. The Hangman here, I feel currently things are, everything's on a complete hold. No one's doing anything, I'm assuming. I think you both are in your own corners, and there's just a lack of movement. There's just inaction right now. Okay, everything's on hold. The Hangman is a good energy. Why? Because it's a very meditative energy. This is where you're giving yourself time, you're giving each other time, or it's more like trying to think about a situation. But yes, with the Hangman here, someone's thinking a lot about you. Okay, this is someone overthinking a situation also. But it's just like it's stuck. Okay, there's a situation here where someone feels stuck or everything's stuck. There is no movement backward, there's no movement forward. All right. Just 1 second, guys. All right. We have in the past, we have the Page of Wands in reverse. Okay, so there was a lack of communication. There could have been lost passion, or this could be something that you wanted to start but you just didn't know what approach to have. The Page of Wands is a lack of communication, yes, but along with that, it is a lack of passion, and it is just someone who's not going for something. Okay, they're not taking action. Could be some bad news that came into you, or this is just someone who's unsure about communicating. With the Queen of Swords in reverse as the current situation, all right, someone's pissed off. All right, the Queen of Swords in reverse is an ex. You're dealing with an ex here, I'm assuming. Definitely an ex. I think this is an ex. So if you're not dealing with an ex, then this reading is not for you. Okay, this is someone who's pissed off. This is someone very hurt and very bitter. Okay, this is someone who's like, fuck you and you fuck your entire family, fuck your dog, etc. This is how angry this person is. Okay, they'll just tell you with their words how pissed off they are. Okay, they will spit venom. This is someone very, very difficult to handle, and this queen will cut a bitch. All right, this is someone just lashing out. All right, very, very angry. I can feel the energy. Okay, this is someone very detached. They'll throw shit at someone's head. They'll just call them every name in the book. Vengeful. Very, very nasty energy, okay? Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Doesn't have to be. This could be you, Capricorn. But you're pissed off, or someone you're dealing with is pissed off, okay? Capricorn, this is your reading, so I'm going to read this as your energy. So this is what happened in the past. This is the current situation between you and your person. Could be you, could be them. All right. This is what's going on in the person's mind that you're dealing with. The Fool in reverse. Someone does not want to take a risk. Right off the bat, someone does not want to take a risk. This is someone who has huge trust issues. All right, huge. Something could have happened in the past with which, you could have gone through hell and back with this person, or they could have, and now there's a stall and delay in a new beginning. This is someone, who wants to even jumpstart, but something's stopping them. Okay, they're taking a step back and they're going to see if it's going to be worth the risk. Someone here is scared and they're afraid of something. Okay, they're being very cautious. It's more like, do I want to or do I not want to? Okay, this is someone also who could be like, you know what? I've been a fool once. I don't want to be a fool again. Could be. All right, doesn't have to be. Someone's taking leaps of doubt. How they view you, Capricorn, is the Ace of Swords in reverse. They view you as a liar. Could be someone who's lying, or could be someone who's not revealing the truth, or could be someone who's just point blank not communicating. Okay, this is someone who's just being non-communicative. Could be someone who's lying, or could be miscommunication, whatever. With the Knight of Wands in reverse here, this is what's going on in their open emotions. They are losing passion, they're losing the interest, and they're not taking action. Yes, it does mean that someone who's being impulsive also, okay? This could be someone who's very, very in and out. 100%. Okay, this is someone who they could be, could be a player. They think that they think of you as a player, Capricorn. They think you're in and out of your life. This is how this person could be. This person could be very in and out of your life. This is someone very, very reckless, very unstable, very fickle, okay, unpredictable. Also at the same time, someone who's very emotionally immature. Someone who's lost passion, someone, something's come to a halt. They feel you're very unreliable. This could be someone, for a very long time, how they view you as someone who's just giving small baits, okay? They just give you enough to keep you in the relationship and then they leave. Someone who's a jumper, okay? They're very changing their mind all the time and very insincere. That's what's going on in their emotions for you. How they want to move forward with you, I feel it's going to be a missed opportunity. That's what they feel. They feel it's a missed opportunity with you. Either you have put them on a hold for a very long time, because we already have the Hangman here. The Hangman, you can be in the Hangman forever. That's the disadvantage of being in the Hangman position, okay? You can be stuck and stagnant forever, and when you're in this Hangman, it's a lack of action, okay? When you don't take action, you're giving the other person the wrong signals, okay? You may be thinking, but your vibes, and inaction can always give it a different outlook. All right, so that's why someone feels that something's going to be like a missed opportunity, or they feel you're the one who got away. Okay. This is someone who thinks that there was potential, but there was a missed opportunity with someone they really thought things would work out with. It could also mean that right now they have fear of rejection, or it could mean that right now, even if how they want to move forward with you, it could also mean that they want to come in and they want to talk to you, they want to make an offer to you, but they're fearing rejection. They feel that you're not going to be interested in an offer, or you're not interested in their offer. Okay, this is someone who probably it could also be someone at the same time. This is a missed opportunity. That's how they want. But the good part is here is, if this is not, then the other thing is that someone who is moving, they want to move forward. They want to come out of isolation, come out of stagnation. They could have been in this place for a very long time where they feel that, they were missing opportunities with you, and now they want to come out of that isolation zone, okay? They want to move forward and come out of this low vibrational energy. They want to move forward with an open mind, okay? Could be. We'll see. Clarifiers can change the reading. With the High Priestess in reverse here, this is what's going on in the background. This is what is the blockage. I think someone's trusting their logic over intuition. Or this is someone here where something has been revealed, okay? This could be someone this could also be someone who is ready to talk, okay? Someone who's kept their mouth shut for a very long time. Someone's kept something hidden. But now there's someone here who's ready to open up. Or something secretive is revealed or has been revealed, okay? Some secret has come out. It's like finally someone wants to talk. This could also be someone who's listening to other people's opinion and not trusting their own intuition, okay? Could be trying to win other people's approval. That's a very fuck all energy. So yeah, your person, probably Capricorn, is listening to other people's opinions a lot. Okay, they're not using their own mind. Probably that's why they're not wanting to take a risk. That's why there's a lack of communication. And they're probably pissed off. Maybe there are people who are feeding things in their head. But well, what can we do, right? That's not in your hands. But yeah, I feel if this person has been in isolation for a while, I think this person is going to be ready to come and talk to you. 100%. This person will come in and talk. All right. Your advice is the Judgment in reverse. Okay. So this is more like, you know what? If you're being too harsh, if you're being too harsh to judge yourself or judge others, just don't be very judgmental. Okay, this is what it's telling you to do. Don't be very judgmental. Okay, if you're considering a major change, okay, then wait, gather more information before you can shift the gears. Okay, that's what it is. You're not ready yet. Okay, so don't make your decision yet because you don't have all the information that you need. Okay, so don't make any final decision. We know that the Judgment upright is making a final decision after and being very, very assertive. So right now it's asking you to hold. Okay, wait. This could be something where, it's a warning where, you're about to reject your higher calling. So don't do it. Okay, there is probably something's coming in. Okay, and you're about to reject it. So wait. I think this is more like, wait, don't make a decision. That's your advice right now. With the Six of Cups in reverse here, I feel that something as a likely outcome, I think something or someone has a grudge against you, Capricorn. Someone's holding a grudge against you. You're clinging on to bad memories and reminiscing about the past, or someone is, okay? Someone's holding on to a past grudge. Someone has nostalgia about bad memories. That's what's happening, okay? This is negative energy from the past, okay? So that's your likely outcome. All right. You know what? I feel there's a lot of miscommunication here and there's a lot of anger here. Someone's angry. That's why they don't want to take a risk or they don't trust you anymore. Or and you think someone's a player with the Knight of Wands in reverse here. And the back of this thing, they're listening to other people's opinions. And all this is happening because of the Hangman in reverse. There is just no action. There's no communication. The Ace of Swords. There has to be a breakthrough somewhere, right? For you guys to communicate. There is no communication. The Queen of Swords in reverse. The Page of Wands in reverse. The Hangman. The Ace of Swords in reverse. There is no communication. Things have come to a complete halt. But it's just that, I don't know. Let's see. We'll see. Why is the Hangman here as the overall energy? Why is the Hangman here as the overall energy? Something was revealed. Some secret came out. Clear for the Moon in reverse. Clear for the Moon in reverse. Or someone's blocking their intuition. Let's see. Why is the Moon in reverse? Why is the Moon in reverse? With the Queen of Wands here, Capricorn, they view you as someone who's got their shit together. Okay, I feel with the hangman here, things were stuck, but I think with the Moon in reverse here, they're ready to reveal their feelings. Okay, they're ready to reveal their feelings. If there was something that was there in their emotions that they're quiet about. Look, we see the High Priestess in reverse here too. Yeah, and what's going on in the background. So I think someone's ready to talk. They're ready to reveal. And with the Moon in reverse here, I think the truth is going to come out. And with the Queen of Wands here, they look at you as someone who's got their shit together. Okay, this is someone who thinks that, you know what, you're an action taker. You got your shit on your own. You don't need anyone. You're very, very attractive. This person could think that you're very, very passionate and you take action. You've got that go for it vibe and you don't need anyone. They could also look at you as someone who's got a lot of suitors, a lot of people like you. A lot of people could be chasing you. But yeah, they see you as someone taking action. It could also be that after a period of stagnation, there's they're ready to talk, they're ready to open out their emotions, but they're ready to take action. It could be anything. Take it how it resonates. Someone's ready to take action. They're very, very attracted to you. Very attracted to you. There's a strong attraction and strong passion. I see so much passion here. Look at the wands. But it's very immature passion. That's the problem. So I feel if this person is ready to talk, from the Page to the Knight, now this is a Queen. So yeah, we're leveling up. We're leveling up. All right, clap for the Page of Wands in reverse. Why is the Page of Wands in reverse? Clap for the Page of Wands in reverse. Look, they're not talking. And with the Nine of Swords here, they're thinking and thinking and thinking. Cap, cap, cap. I want my Capricorn. I want my Capricorn. They're overthinking. They're thinking a lot about you, but they were not communicating in the past with you, okay? That's someone stressing the shit out, okay? That's panic mode. Someone was in panic mode, okay? They were not talking, but they were in their head all the time. You were on their mind all the time, Capricorn. They regretted. There was a lot of remorse. They missed you a lot. Clap for the Queen of Swords in reverse. Why is the Queen of Swords in reverse? Why is the Queen of Swords in reverse? Yeah, see? They're pissed off. They're bitter. They're angry. They're vengeful. They want to slit your tires. They want to throw a plate at your head. They want to curse the shit out of you. But at the same time, with the Nine of Cups in reverse here, they're not happy at all. This is someone who's emotionally unhappy, emotionally dependent on you, okay? They're not happy with you, without you at all, Capricorn. You made them happy. You finished them. You complete them. Not finish. You made them feel whole and complete. Without you, they're so lonely. They have this lack. They're just not happy. Clap for the Nine of Cups in reverse. Clap for the Nine of Cups in reverse. So Capricorn, let me tell you, no matter how angry they are, within themselves, they miss you like crazy. Okay? Clap for the Nine of Cups. Yeah, so there could have been a lack of commitment. Okay, someone's probably was not ready to commit. You could have cut them out, and now they're very unhappy. Or you thought it was something that, you know, it was a wish fulfillment that didn't come true. And with the Ten of Pentacles in reverse here, someone was not ready to commit. Okay, there was a lack of stability, security, and commitment in your relationship. Okay, that's why this person was cut out, and now they're angry about it because they expected you to continue with the bait that they kept giving you, or continue with the breadcrumbs that they were giving you. All right, that's what they expected you to do. But you got into your power with the Queen of Wands here. Maybe the truth was revealed, and now you're in your power with the Queen of Wands, and you cut them out. Well, if that's what the case is, then that's all right. That's fine. Let them be angry. Clap for the Fool in reverse. Clap for the Fool in reverse. Clap for the Fool in reverse. Yeah. I think someone's not taking a risk here, 100%. And with the Queen of Pentacles here, I think you realize, Capricorn, you realize you're a queen. You want something long-term, something stable, something, you want a valued connection, okay? The Queen of Pentacles is someone who's very, very stable and secure in all the areas of her life, okay? She's all about potential. She's a mother. You could be dealing with a married woman. The Queen of Pentacles is a lockdown woman, okay? She's good investment. She'll invest only where something is worth the risk. She's very practical, very grounded, okay? She's always focused on stability and growth, okay? This is commitment, but she's not taking a risk because she realizes her self-worth, okay? She knows her self-worth, she knows her stability, she knows what she's worth, she values her potential. And that's why now she's not going to take a risk, because she's seeing that there is a lack of commitment here, so she's not going to take a risk with you. Why is the Ace of Swords in reverse here? Why do they view Capricorn as the Ace of Swords in reverse? Why is the Ace of Swords in reverse? This is also someone who's just got their shit together, okay? I think this is someone who's like, you know what? Nope, I'm not taking a risk with you. I've been through hell and back with you. I value myself more. I'm going to take care of my shit, and more like fuck you. The Ace of Swords in reverse is clarified by the Five of Wands. So there is no communication. They view you as non-communicative, because probably with the Five of Wands here, they feel you're conflicted in your head. Why the Five of Wands? Why the Five of Wands here? Why the Five of Wands? Yeah, they see you moving forward with the Six of Wands here, okay? They see you doing very, very well. Someone's doing well, okay? So you view them, or they view you as non-communicative. They feel that, you know what, with the Five of Wands here, there's always an argument. You guys always get dragged into an argument, or you guys are just not on the same page. Could be someone who views you as very conflicted in their head. You don't know what you want. But with the Six of Wands here, you're moving forward successfully, okay? You're getting a lot of public recognition. This person could be spying on you. I'm very surprised I don't have the Page of Swords here. But someone could be spying on you. They're watching you. They're watching you move ahead. They're watching you move forward successfully. That's good, right? They're watching you put your head held up high. also mean that your view as Five of Wands, they're viewing you as someone who's going to fight for what they want. They're not going to give in to competition this time. They're going to fight for what they want. And with the Six of Wands, look, because from 5, we're going to the 6, okay? So this is someone who's had like more like, enough, I am done. I'm going to fight for what I want. I'm not going to be dragged into any kind of bullshit, drama, nonsense with you. And I'm moving forward. That's how they view you. Yeah, that's how they view you. Clap with the Knight of Wands in reverse. Why is the Knight of Wands in reverse here? Why is the Knight of Wands in reverse? Yeah. They want, well, someone wants to come in with an apology. With the Knight of Wands in reverse here, yes, they're very flighty in their emotions. They feel you're very flighty. You're someone, you know, who's in and out. But with the Page of Cups here, someone wants to come in and communicate, okay? I feel this is more of an apology. I don't think this is someone after a lack of commitment, after being cut out. This is not someone who will just be like, you know, have some floaty communication. I think this is someone who wants to come in and apologize. In their emotions, they want to come and talk to you. They want to apologize. Clap for the Page of Cups. Clap for the Page of Cups. See? Because they're returning back from the dead. This is definitely someone from your past, like I mentioned before. This is someone who you either have ended things with, okay, and they're coming back. Or this is someone who's not ready to end this relationship. They can't forget you and they're coming back. Because we already know with the Nine of Swords here, they could be non-communicative, but they're still thinking about you. You cut them off because there was a lack of stability. They're unhappy. They're pissed off. Yes, could be you, Capricorn, who's pissed off and cut them off. They're emotionally unhappy and they're coming back. They're coming back with an apology. They know that in their emotions, they were in and out of your life. But with the Death in reverse here, they want to come back. Someone wants to return back from the dead. Why is the Four of Cups in reverse here? Why is the Four of Cups in reverse? Why is the Four of Cups in reverse? Someone's healing from a heartbreak. This could have been something very painful, emotionally traumatizing, but they want to move forward. They want to come out of this isolation zone, and with the Three of Swords here, they're healing from it. Okay, they're healing from a separation. I think this is someone who also wants to reconcile. Try for the Three of Swords in reverse. Why is the Three of Swords in reverse here? Try for the Three of Swords in reverse. See? This is someone, this is how they want to move forward with you. They feel they've been stuck and stagnant in this isolation mode for a very long time. One more thing with this now, I feel that this is someone who had fear of rejection. With the Three of Swords in reverse here, I think they're getting over the heartache. They're getting over the pain, okay? They're getting over it. Look guys, sometimes it's okay if you're on hold, if you move on. What I like you're doing, Capricorn, is you're realizing your self-worth. You realize that you're worth much more, you deserve much more than the bullshit and the craps and scraps that they were offering you. It's all right, okay? It's all right. But now, with the Three of Swords in reverse here, I feel this person is getting over something painful. They're getting over, they're healing, they want to reconcile, okay? They're getting over the stress. And with the Ace of Pentacles here, they want to offer you commitment, okay? They want to offer you something stable. They want to offer you something stable, solid commitment. This is a gift from the universe, all right? Let me tell you something, guys. If you guys are accepting this commitment, if you're accepting this is a seed, okay? This is something small, but it has the potential to grow very, very big, okay? Only if there is a lot of effort, a lot of energy, a lot of hard work needed to lift this off, okay? To get this off ground, all right? So if you're ready for this, and if they're ready for this, then accept this, okay? Don't be shitty. This person has been shitty in the past. They've been flighty. They've been a player. Yes, they miss you very much. Yes, they realize that this is what you're doing. You're not wanting to take a risk. But now they're coming in. They're healing, okay? But they better come in correct. The offer is right, but are they ready to put in the work? Okay? Clarify the High Priestess in reverse. Why is the High Priestess in reverse? Why is the High Priestess in reverse? Why is the High Priestess in reverse? See? Someone's realized something. Okay, look, this is someone who's finally ready to talk, and with the Tower in reverse here, they're trying to avoid a disaster, or they're trying to rebuild something that already crashed. I'm guessing you guys have already split, broken up. We already see that with the Three of Swords in reverse. Now they want to come in because there's a kind of a recognition, okay, a realization that they finally want to open up and talk. Something that they've been holding back for a very long time. Could be that they were waiting you to communicate with them, but you're not, because you know your worth. You're doing what you think is right. You're focusing on your stability and growth. You're not taking a risk. You're being non-communicative. You're moving forward. Now they want to come in with Ace of Pentacles because there's just someone coming back from the dead. And now they want to talk. And with the Tower in reverse here, they want to rebuild something from scratch. Okay, the Tower, usually, most of the time, the Tower comes in and it crashes anything that's foundation, that has a crooked foundation, or that has a very weak foundation, or that relationship or connection, or was built on lies, deception, manipulation. Okay, so it wasn't built on the correct way. It was anyways weak. It had to crash. All right, so now they're coming in to rebuild with you. That's good. That's what's happening in the background, Capricorn, and this is what probably you don't know. This is what you don't know. They're coming back. It's going to take a while, but they're coming back, okay? Because the Four of Cups is also a very, very stagnant energy. The Hangman is again stagnant energy. All right? Fly for the Judgment in reverse. Why is the Judgment in reverse as advice for Capricorn? Why is the Judgment in reverse as advice for Capricorn? Why is the Judgment in reverse? Things are going to go your way. Wait for some time, okay? Luck is going to be on your side. The Wheel of Fortune is going to start rolling in your favor, all right? You finish your karma. I mean, I think if this is what's happening, this was all destined. Something's destined. Do not make a decision as yet. Things are going to be in your favor, okay? That's why they're asking you. So I think if you've cut this person off and you're trying to move forward, okay? Move forward, but don't completely cut this person out. I think that's what it's thinking, because things are going to be on your side, okay? You've maintained you've been cool, calm, collected. You've worked on yourself with the Queen of Pentacles here, with the Queen of Wands here. You've done your work. And that's why you're getting the Ace of Pentacles. That's why this person's coming in, right? Law of attraction. You don't have to be manifesting it. It's just the law of attraction. It just happens, okay? That's just how it works. The moment you focus on yourself, the moment you take care of yourself, your goals, etc., the moment all the energy and focus is on yourself, that's when you get what you want. All right. Why is the Six of Cups in reverse as the likely outcome? Why is the Six of Cups in reverse as the likely outcome? Why is the Six of Cups in reverse as the likely outcome? Why is the Six of Cups in reverse as the likely outcome? Yeah. However, I see that likely outcome. I think someone's, look, we have the King of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Someone's coming in with stability, security, commitment. This is someone who's coming in with thinking about long term. They want to invest in you. We have the Queen, the King here. This is a nice divine couple. So yeah, things are going your way, but I think you're still going to hold on to a grudge. You have a grudge for this person from the past, and that's why with the Empress in reverse here, I think you are the other person. Someone's not going to feed this connection. Someone's going to delay this new beginning. Someone's going to stop this new beginning, okay? Because they just have trust issues. Could be someone, you know, who's very, very codependent, but someone's not going to give in. Someone still has negative memories. This is a soulmate connection with the Six of Cups here, okay? You're dealing with a soulmate, and when soulmates hurt you, they cut you deep, right? I understand that. It's difficult. They're coming in. It's up to you, Capricorn, if you want them or not. However, just the advice is do not make any rash, harsh decisions. Don't just cut through. You don't have all the information you need. The Wheel of Fortune is coming. So yeah, this person wants to rebuild with you. They've had some epiphany. They've had some realization. Just do you, Capricorn. Just do what you're doing best right now. They're coming in. The Hangman, the Moon in reverse, the Queen of Wands. I really feel after things being on hold with the Moon in reverse, because something was revealed, right? Someone's just doing Queen of Wands. They look at you as whatever has been revealed. I think this person with the Moon here, they could have had, this is someone who could have had a very hard time trusting their intuition before. That's why things were on hold. But now they see you as the Queen of Wands. They see you that, you know what, you're moving forward without them with the Six of Wands here. You're not waiting for them. And I think that's what makes you super sexy, attractive. Yeah? All right, Capricorn, I hope this reading resonates with you. Leave your comments below and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.